Hello everyone, Sanjeev here, and thank you so much for clicking and watching this video. I wanted to, in this video, I had a very great message actually came on this morning. This is one of our student who actually started this amazing program. And this is the message that he actually sent to me, which is really great. So I'll play this and you can just listen, see what he says.
Wow, Sanjay sir, this message is really very powerful. You said the action taking is very important, and thank you for all the support which you're giving so far now, because it's hard to get a people, especially good people, good mentor for a success, because you can see from the right courses I never get anything, and still there is nothing we could learn. But maybe as you said, the God has given just send me to you that I can have good mentor from you. I'm really happy that, and I'm still doing the mantra, so everything is good. So thank you so much.
Okay, so that was the message I actually got from him, and I have been working with this particular student for a while, and he also joined a different program a while back, and he wasn't getting any support in the previous program. And just to take him through the process and just to guide him is like very rewarding feeling that I'm actually getting. And this is another message that he sent as well.
Thank you so much, Anissa. Thank you so much. Actually, until before I'm starting all this, I was not getting anything, because you know how I was like before, and I was not getting any traction. I was aggressive and all the things. I'm argue with your editor, and you see the things is changed over the time pass. So I'm very glad that, because I found you actually in the right time, maybe. I'm very glad to have you as a mentor, sir, and I'm very thank you for your support.
Okay, so that was just a really awesome message that I got. Just wanted to share with you. And you also might be feeling lost in your life, right? You might have tried so many other different things, and just wanted to let you know that this company is really different. And the thing that I'm doing now is because this day and age, I see so many people actually looking to really automate like different things, different aspects of business, right? And pretty much if I see that those kind of things, it really turns me off, because if you look at automation, it's pretty much they're trying to get your money on automation. And if you want to get any support from all these big gurus out there, it's really hard to reach those people, because they're actually automated the sales process and every aspect of their business, and it's really hard to get that one-to-one mentoring, right? But with the system that I'm actually plugged into now, is like you get your one-on-one support and coaching, and I personally set up your entire system like step by step. And you might be wondering, what is this particular business and why should I listen to you, right? You might be having that question. Is because I've started so many different online business, and literally I wasn't getting much success, right? I was going from program to program to program, right? Barely seeing any results. And the reason I started online business is because I knew the flexibility it can give me and my family, right? I've got a family of 5, and pretty much when I started, I was driving truck, right? And working long and hard hours, it just wasn't a thing for me, right? So I looked at different things, and luckily I stumbled upon this, and looking at it, there's so many things going on in the online space, like I mentioned to you. Pretty much automation, like people are selling all these automated programs, but big thing I see with those is like a big turn off, right? If you're a complete beginner, you haven't done any sort of any online business before, you might be thinking, how can I do that, right? Well, you can do that only if you get the right support, right mentoring, right? And I'll actually share with you what are the things that you actually get, and what are the things that I set up my team, that when they start with this amazing program, they get my one-on-one support, and they also get invited in my messenger group chat. So that way, any questions they have, I'll be there supporting them every single step of the way. So first thing first is, once you get inside the program, you can see the program. It's like a funnel builder academy where they teach you how to build a funnel, right? So they teach you how to build a funnel and set up your website that you want to design. So it's a funnel building website like tool, right? So people charge a lot of money to build a website. $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, different membership sites that people actually start. They charge a lot of money, right? But with this, you only pay $20, $25, and the commission that you get is 80%. So just from that product, you're making $20 commission, right? This is another product. So once you learn how to build a funnel, now you should know how you can actually drive traffic onto your funnel, right? So this is the training that actually tells you how you can actually have all those people coming inside your funnel, right? So we have different training here for different traffic strategy. People, when they start, they especially when I started, I didn't have much funds, so I started with the free methods. And with these free methods, all this training is just on getting leads onto your funnel, right? So that's a method that we use to get real people onto your funnel, right? So this can be creating content on Facebook, can be creating content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, right? So there's different training. But when a new member starts, I tell them not to get too overwhelmed, right? You just can start one method. At the moment, I'm getting most of the traffic from Facebook, right? And it's working really, really well. So if you have Facebook profile, that can be a good start, right? So you can start doing free methods, which is all taught in here, like step by step, right? And we also have paid method, right? So we have methods on solo ads, we got text leads training, Facebook ads, right? So YouTube ads, and then we have like different training on getting sales, right? So you got email marketing. We also get access to the email writing content machine. So if you are a not good email marketer, right, you can literally come here and type out an email and then send to your list, right? So this is exactly what I do. And aside from that, you also get all these great bonus, right? You see all these great bonus here, like professional video hosting, legacy welcome training, goal mine achieve, right? So this is all under traffic and conversion. But if you see here in the traffic and conversion, we also have the mastermind calls recorded. So we have 11 mastermind calls every single week, right? So in case if you missed a mastermind, you couldn't attend it, you can always go back and watch the recording, right? So this product is again pays you 80% commission, right? So literally you can just get started with this product. But what I actually did, and to make the most amount of income from this program, I got all these 3 products. So 1, 2, 3. And that way I actually know how to build a funnel now, because I've gone through the training. I know how to get people inside my funnel, right, through this traffic and conversion. And also another important product which I highly recommend everyone to get is the Financial Literacy Academy, right? So in here actually tells you different ways you can be also investing your money, reducing your taxes, and gorilla money strategy, right? In here you can actually find different ways aside from doing sending building people's website, sending traffic onto your funnel. You also learn different ways you can also make money online, right? So we got all this training here, which is really awesome, right? So all these 3 products you're going to get access to, plus you're going to get affiliate marketing, affiliate zone, right? In here, we have another bonus which will be given to you, is pretty much Freedom Launchpad bonus, right? This is a great bonus that everyone gets once they get all these 3 products. And when a team member actually gets all these 3 products, what I also do for my team, I actually build a funnel for them, right? So this is a funnel. If you don't know what a funnel is, this is a funnel. And when people come here, they enter their name, email address, and once they enter their details, they get their details email gets stored onto the autoresponder, which I also set up for my team. So I set up the funnel for them, I set up the autoresponder, I set up the email series, and pretty much I also, what I do, I add them to my group chat, Facebook Messenger chat. And so this is a funnel. This is another funnel that I built, right? So we got different variations of different funnels that you're going to get. And also, if you just don't know, if you don't have time to create content, we also have training in here for solo ads, right? And particularly for solo ads, I also know a great vendor who can send clicks onto your funnel, right? Onto your funnel through solo ads, right? So you just go to him, say, can you send 200 clicks to my funnel? So clicks means real people coming to your funnel, right? Just to know about the business model, right? So once they enter their name and email address, their details get sent to a autoresponder, and the email series will start sending them emails on autopilot, right? So when you actually join, those are all the bonus that you're gonna get. You're going to get all your setup done for you, right? I'll build the funnel for you. I'll set up your autoresponders. I'll also give you details for my vendor as well, the one that I actually use, and I know him. He sends 100% tier 1 traffic onto your funnel. So that way, if you don't have time to create content, you can literally just be sending email and then getting leads and also buyers for a business, like on automation, right? Not on automation. This is not going to be a click button strategy, like we're going to be just clicking a button and then earning all this income, right? There's going to be some work, but if you get plugged in, when you get plugged in, if you're serious to change your life, if you're serious to be earning from the comfort of your home, I'll leave a link in the description. Click that and get access to the back end, right? So you're going to get access to the video that you're actually watching now. You're going to click on the link below this video, and then you're going to go inside in here. You're going to click on yes, I want access, right? But you can also see all this here, right? The details of the program, right? So all the details you can see. You're going to get a lot of bonus, and once you click on yes, I want in, right, enter all your details, here, and then make sure you click on this complete order, and on the next page there will be a video wanting to get this product. I highly recommend you to get this product as well, because that way I will actually set up everything for you. Just a bonus from my side. I'll also invite you to my Messenger group chat so you can start chatting to people. Any questions, any issues you have, we're going to be there every single step of the way, and I'll build the funnel for you. I'll give the best solo ad vendor so you can start advertising, sending clicks to your funnel. So those are the things that you're actually gonna get once you join this amazing system, and I cannot wait to help you out and just to have yourself a plan B, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and may God bless you all. Bye for now.